Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone 14 Pro Max QR code scanner not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on camera. Now in camera, here you will see a scan QR codes button. So if you have turned off this button, then turn it on, and after turning on this button, the QR code scanner will start working properly. But if it's not working, then the second solution is clean your camera lens. So if you have installed any camera lens protector, then remove it and clean your camera lens. And after that, if you are still facing the problem, then open settings, scroll down and here click on general and then click on software update. And now from here, check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated, then first of all update it, and after updating, restart your mobile. So to restart, press the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to power off your mobile, and after that restart your mobile. And after that, if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open and close the camera app 2 to 3 times. I hope it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching.